In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete duplicates in your Google Calendar. Keeping your calendar tidy and organized can be a game changer, and today I'll guide you through a straightforward process to declutter that digital calendar space by removing those pesky duplicate events. To begin, the first step is to open Google Calendar. Head over to your browser and type in calendar.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the correct account if you have multiple Google profiles, as you wouldn't want to accidentally edit the wrong calendar. Once you're on the main page, you'll likely see a familiar view. Most commonly, the view is set to month by default. However, to make it easier to spot duplicates, we'll need to switch things up a bit. Next, we're going to switch to the schedule view. This is also known as the agenda view. It makes scanning through your events a lot more straightforward and efficient because it lists them out in a neat, chronological order. To do this, head to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice some options like day or week. Click on those and switch it to schedule. This view will let you see events lined up by date and time, making it a breeze to spot duplicates since similar entries will now be easy to see. Now that you're in the schedule view, we can move on to manually deleting any duplicates you come across. Browse through your calendar events. When you spot a duplicate, simply click on that event. This will usually pop up a window with all the details of the event. With the event details now visible, the next action is to delete the duplicate. Within the event details, look for the familiar trash icon. This might look like a little bin or simply say delete. Click on that and confirm your choice if prompted. And just like that, the duplicate is gone. Remember to be attentive and only delete truly duplicate events, as you don't want to accidentally remove something important. Unfortunately, there's no automatic way to delete duplicates in Google Calendar, so we need to rely on this manual process for now. With each duplicate you remove, you'll notice your calendar becoming clearer and more useful. And there you have it, a clean calendar, free from duplicates. This should help you stay organized and efficient, reducing any confusion when planning your schedule. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you've got any more questions or need further help, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.